What about socialization? This is one of the biggest concerns of parents, afraid that if they homeschool their kids, that the kids won't be able to play with other children or know how to play with other children. They won't be able to speak to adults, that they'll be very shy. But this is furthest from the truth. What we must recognize is that socialization is not being able to play with other kids, but socialization is the ability for children to properly integrate with society. Sometimes your homeschooling journey will take you out of the house. Another way to look at homeschooling is life schooling. Because your children are surrounded by adults and people of various different ages, they will learn and understand how to socialize not only with children their own age, but adults and other children of different ages. They will learn to have respect for younger children. They will learn how to have respect for elders. And you won't have to worry about whether or not your children are able to socialize. Just the nature of homeschooling is a life schooling experience.